of all, welcome to my video channel. In previous video, we have already learned what is the meaning of discount and how can we find out the discount, and also how can we find out the percentage of discount. Today we will solve some problems that I have collected from different books. Okay students, so before starting that problems, so first do some revisions. Okay student, so first of all, what is discount? We can find out discount. How can we find out the discount? What is the formula of discount? Discount equal to discount is equals to mark price minus selling price. Here also we can find out the selling price is equals to mark price minus discount. And always discount is depend upon the mark price. So discount percentage is equals to formula number 3. Discount percentage is equals to discount by mark price into 100. Okay student, so this is the normal formula. In this way we can find out the discount percentage as well as we can find out the discount. So how can we find out discount if mark price and discount percentage is given? So formula number 4, discount is equals to discount percentage into mark price divided by 100. Okay student, so we can find out the selling price by subtracting discount from the mark price. Okay student, so we can also directly find out the selling price from the discount percentage. So formula number 5, selling price is equals to how much? 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100 into mark price. Okay student, so selling price equal to how much? 100 minus discount percentage by 100 into mark price. In this way also we can find out mark price from the selling price and discount percentage, that is formula number 6. So mark price is equal to how much? Selling price into 100 by 100 minus discount percentage. Okay student, these are the number of formula which we will use in the chapter discount. Okay students, we have already learned about these things, and now we will solve some questions. Okay students, so I am erasing these things. So my first question is, the mark price of an article, is how much? 800 rupees, and sold at rupees 736. Then find the rate of discount. Find the discount and rate of discount. Okay student, so here mark price is equals to how much? Here it is given the mark price is equals to 800 and selling price is equals to 736. So here we can find out directly discount. Discount is equals to how much? Mark price minus selling price, which is equals to 800 minus 736, which is equals to 64. Now discount percentage is equal to how much? What is the formula? Discount by mark price into 100. Already I have told you, always discount is depend upon the mark price. That's why discount equal to 64 divided mark price equal to 800 into 100. So here 100 and cancel, and 864 8. So discount, final answer, discount is 64 rupees and rate of discount equal to how much? 8%. Okay student, now we'll do the question number, second questions. After allowing the discount of 12% on the mark price of an article, it sold for rupees 880. Find the mark price. Okay, student. Here, question number 2. After allowing the discount, here it is given that discount is equals to 12%. Okay, student. And on the mark price of an article, and it sold for 880. That means selling price is equals to 880. Okay, student. So here, what is asked to find out the mark price. So find mark price. So here, discount percentage is given and selling price is given, and we have to find out the mark price. Okay, students. In this way, in these questions, we can do it in two ways, by using the normal things and by using the direct formula. First of all, we will use the normal things. So here, mark price is not given, and we always know that the discount percentage is depend upon the mark price. So let mark price of an article is X. So discount percentage equal to 12%. Okay, student. So selling price. How can we find out the selling price? First of all, we have to find out the discount and then the selling price. Here it is discount is given. What in percentage? So discount equal to how much? 12 by 100. Discount percentage by 100 into mark price, which is equal to 12 by 100 into mark price equal to how much? X. Because the mark price is not given and we have taken that, let the mark price be X. So here it will be how much? 425 and this is 3. So 3x by 25. Okay, student. So selling price we have already find out the discount. So selling price equal to mark price minus discount, which is equal to X minus discount equal to 3x by 25, which is equal to 25x minus 3x by 25. The result is how much? 22x by 25. Okay, student. So this is our selling price. And the selling price is here given. So we can find out by equating the given selling price and that with the selling price that we have got. So according to questions, we can write that 22x by 25, which is equals to 880. So implies that x is equals to how much? 880 into 25 by 22. So this is 22 into 840. The result is 1000. Hence, the mark price is of an article is 1000 rupees. Okay, student. This is the normal way to find out the mark price of an article if the discount percentage and the selling price is given. Now here we will find out the selling price from the discount percentage and the we will find out the mark price from the discount percentage and selling price directly. So what is the direct formula? Direct formula that already I have told you. Mark price is how much? Mark price is, what is the, already we have written that mark price is how much? 100 by 100 minus discount percentage whole into selling price. Okay, student. So which is equals to 100 by 100 minus discount, which is equals to 100. Here we will calculate 100 minus 12 into selling price is what? 880. So our result is equals to 100 by 88 into 880. The result is 10. The result is 1000. Okay, student. Here we have got the mark price directly in one line. Okay, student. So if you can learn this formula, then you can find out in a one line. So always I told you that if you can learn this formula, then use this formula. Otherwise, you will go through this process. Okay, student. So now we will solve the next questions. Next question is what? Question number 3. Question number 3. In the question number 3 that it is given, a seller sells his goods at the discount of 15% but still makes a profit of 2%. What percent above the cost price does he make his goods? So the question is very important here. First of all, we will write the question here. The seller sells the goods. A seller sells his goods at a discount of 15%. Discount of 15%. Okay, but still he makes a profit of 2%. A profit of 2%. At what percentage above the cost price does he mark his goods? So at what percent above the cost price does he mark his goods? Okay, so here this question relates to the mark price as well as the cost price, because profit is given here. So we know that the discount is dependent upon the mark price and the loss and the profit is dependent upon the cost price. So we need the cost price as well as the mark price, but both are not given. So we have to first take some assumptions that let the cost price be X, or we can take the assumptions that the mark price be X. Okay, student. So here at last it is question is asked, at what percentage above the cost price does he mark? So above the cost price, what percentage above the cost price? So here it is valuable or it is profitable if we take the cost price be X. Okay, student. So what will take? Let cost price of the article be X. Okay, student. The cost price here we have taken that cost price be X, and here it is given that after doing the discount of 15%, but he still makes the profit of the 2%. Profit of 2%, and profit is equal to 2%. That means we have can find out the selling price from these conditions. So selling price, we can use the direct formula here. What is the direct formula? Selling price of an article is equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price, which is equal to 100 plus 2 divided by 100 into cost price is equal to X, which is equal to 102 by 100 into X, and it can be cancelled. The result is 51 and this is 50. So 51X by 50. This is the selling price. The cost price is equal to X and the selling price equal to 51X by 50. Now this is the selling price that we have got, and now we have to find out, and in this selling price the discount is given 15%. So discount percentage equals to 15%. Now we have to find out what will the mark price. So we know that what is the condition that we have given? We have now the selling price and discount percentage. From these two conditions we have to find out mark price. So we know that the mark price, what is the formula for the mark price? Already we have told, from the selling price and the discount we have to find out what the mark price is equals to 100 plus discount percentage divided by 100 divided by 100 minus discount percentage into selling price. Okay student, so here 100 which is equals to 100 minus discount percentage means 100 minus 15 into selling price is how what 51x by 50. Okay student, so our final answer is what 51x into 100 divided by 100 minus 15 equal to 85 into 50. So here by cancelling we will get this is 51 are 50 and 52 are 100. Now it can be cancelled by 17. 17 3 are 51 and 17 5 are 85. So our result is 3x into 2 here 6x by 5. This is our mark price. Okay student. So mark price equal to 6x by 5 and our selling price equal to 51x by 50 and our cost price of the article that we have taken that x. So now we will find out our final answer at what percentage above the cost price. So here the profit or the above what percent above the cost price. So we have to find out what is the cost price, what is the mark price above the cost price. So here mark price equal to how much 6x by 5 and our cost price is equals to x. So mark price is above than the cost price. What is the mark price? What amount the mark price is more than the cost price. So here now we have to find out what is the amount which is more than the cost price. So here mark price is equals to 6x by 5 and cost price is equals to x. So the mark price is more than the cost price. How much? So we can find out mark price minus cost price which is equals to 6x by 5 minus x which is equal to 6x minus 5x by 5 which is equals to x by 5. Okay student. So now we have to find out last answer what percentage above the cost price. So this is above the cost price. So we have to convert these things in the percentage. So x by 5 out of 6x by 5. So in percentage x by 5 whole divided by 6x by 5 into 100. While we converting these things into percentage, in percentage we can write that in percentage what we will write x by 5 out of 6x by 5. So x by 5 by 6x by 5 into 100. So here 5 cancel, x cancel. Our answer is 1 by 6 into 100 which is equals to 100 by 6. So it can be cancelled 50 by 3. So this is 50 by 3 percentage. So our final answer what we will write? So 50 by 3 percentage above the cost price. The seller mark. Okay. Now the next question. An article marked as 40% above the cost price. Here it is given that the mark price is already given. What is the article marked? An article is marked 40% above the cost price, and when it sold at the certain rate of discount, there is a loss of 2%. Then find the rate of discount allowed on the article. It is also one type of tricky questions. So question number 4. An article is marked and article is marked 40% above the cost price, and when it is sold at a certain certain rate of discount, certain discount percentage, there is a loss of, there is a loss of 2%. Then find the rate of discount. Find the rate of discount. Okay, student. So here the cost price is not given, the mark price is not given, anything is not, and the selling price is also not given. But we have to take an article is marked 40% above the cost price. So here the mark price is expressed in terms of the cost price. So here first of all let the cost price is equal to x. So here mark price is 40% above the cost price. Mark price is 40% above the cost price. So mark price equal to how much? 100 plus 40 divided by 100 into cost price, which is equal to 140 divided by 100 into x. So 27 ja, 25 ja. So result is 7x by 5. This is our what? Mark price. So now we have got the cost price as well as the mark price. And secondly, it is given when it allows some discount percentage, then there is a loss of 2%. So at what amount we will sell that product so that we will get the 2% loss. So we can find out the selling cost price already we have got, and 2% loss. That means we can find out the selling price. So selling price of the article is what? 2% loss. Then we can use the direct formula. What? 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Yes or no, student? So which is equals to 100 minus 2 by 100 into cost price is equals to x. Finally 100 minus 2 equal to what? 98 by 100 into x. So here it can be cancelled. It is 50 and this is 49. So result is 49x by 50. This is our selling price and this is our mark price, and already we have taken the cost price. Okay. So here mark price we have got and the selling price we have got. Now we can find out the amount of discount or amount of discount percentage. So now we have to find out discount. What is the amount of discount? So here selling price we have got and the mark price we have got. So discount is how much? Discount equal to mark price minus selling price, which is equal to 7x by 5 minus 49x by 50, which the result is 50, and 70x minus 49, which is equal to 21x by 50. This is our discount. Now we have to find out the discount percentage, and already I have told you always the discount percentage or discount is depend upon the mark price, not the cost price. So now we will find out the discount percentage. So discount percentage is equal to discount by what? Mark price into 100, which is equal to now discount percentage is what? Discount equal to how much? 21x by 50 whole divided by mark price. Already I have told you what? 7x by 5 into 100. The result is 21x by 50 into 5 by 7x into 100. So here you can see that 10 cancelled into 100. So here 10 also cancelled. Rest is 10, 7 cancel, 7 3 and x is cancelled. Right answer is what? How much? 30 rupees. 30. Discount percentage equal to 3 into 10 equal to 30%. Okay, student. So our finally we can write that what? Find the rate of discount. So rate of discount equal to how much? 30%. Okay, student? My request to all of you, student, that properly watch this video. If you will not watch this video properly or completely, then it will be too difficult. Okay, student? And one more thing, or while doing the solving the questions, you are not writing the last final statement. So always try to write the final statement. What in the question is asked. So student, next question is what? A seller sells an article at the discount of 25% but still makes a profit of 5% if the article cost him 600. So here cost price is given. So in this questions, it is not so hard questions. Question number 5. Here the cost price is given. Cost price equal to 600 rupees. Okay, student? And what is another thing is given? Max the profit of 5%. Profit equal to 5%. Okay? And by selling that profit at 5%, he allowed the discount 25%. So again thing is given. Another one thing is given. Discount percentage equal to 25%. So what you have to find out? First of all, you have to find out the selling price and then mark price. Okay, student? So here we will calculate the selling price as well as mark price. So it is not so hard. Here cost price is given and profit percentage is given. From these two conditions, you can find out the selling price. So how can you find out the selling price? Selling price is equal to, by using the direct formula, you can do it. What is the direct formula? From the cost price and profit percentage, the selling price equal to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price, which is equal to 100 plus 5 divided by 100 into 600, which is equal to 6, which is equal to 100 plus 5 equal to how much? 105 into 6 equal to 630. So simply you can find out the selling price equal to 630. So selling price equal to, you have got a 630 rupees and discount percentage equal to 25%. From these two given conditions, you have to find out the mark price. So directly also you can find out, or by using the direct formula, or by taking let the mark price be X. So if we do let the mark price be X, let the mark price be X. So selling price equal to how much? Mark price plus discount. Mark price plus discount, but discount percentage is given. So how can you find out the discount? The discount equal to how much? Discount percentage divided by 100 into mark price, which is equal to 25 by 100 into mark price equal to X. So this is 4 is equal to X by 4. So discount we have calculated X by 4 and mark price that we have taken X. So selling price equal to how much? Mark price minus discount, which is equal to X minus X by 4, which is equal to 3X by 4. Here we have got the selling price, but already we have find out the selling price. So by equating these two things, we can get the mark price. So according to question 3x by 4 is equal to 630 implies that x is equal to 630 into 4 by 3, which is equal to 210, so 840. So here mark price equal to 840. And by using the direct formula also we can find out the mark price. So how can we find out the mark price? Mark price equal to what is the direct formula to find out the mark price? From the selling price and discount percentage. So mark price equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percentage into selling price, which is equal to 100 by 100 minus discount percentage is given 25%. 100 minus 25 into selling price equal to how much? 630. The result will be 100 by 75 into 6, 30. When we cancel, this is 3, this is 4, and when we cancel, last finally answer you will get 840. Okay, student. So by using the direct formula also you can find out, and by in this process also you can find out. And if you think that this is difficult for you by using the direct formula, then you can use this process also. Okay, no problems. Always, students, I am doing with the normal formula and using the direct formula. Okay, so now our next question is, the cost price of an article is equal to 25% below the mark price. This is also one type of tricky questions. So what is given? The cost price is, question number 6, the cost price is 25% below the mark price, 25% below the mark price. Okay, below the mark price. If the cost price of article is, if cost price of article is 2400 and sold at a discount of 15%. Find the mark price. Find mark price, selling price, and profit percentage. Okay, student. So here, student, here next question it is written that the cost price is 25% below the mark price. If the cost price of an article is 2400 and sold it at the discount of 15%, find the mark price, selling price, and the profit percentage. Here, what is given? The cost price. Cost price is given, and here it is written that the cost price is 25% below the mark price. Okay, so here cost price is expressed in terms of mark price, but the mark price is not given, but the cost price is given. So here first of all we have to find out the mark price. Okay, so cost price is 25% below the mark price. So here we will take, let the mark price be X and the cost price is 25% below the mark price. So 25% below the mark price means what? X. So CP is equals to 25% below the mark price, that means X mark price minus 25% below the mark price means what? Mark price minus 25% of mark price, which is equals to X minus 25% means 25 by 100 of X. So the result is X minus 1 and 4, X by 4. The result is 4X minus X by 4, which is equals to 3X by 4. Okay, so here CP cost price is 3X by 4. So but the cost price is given already. So by equating the given cost price with the price that we have find out, so cost price equal to, according to, we can write that according to question, cost price is equal how much? 3X by 4 is equal to the given price 2400. Implies that X is equal to how much? 2400 into 4 by 3. So 800. The result is 800 into 4 how much? 3200. Okay. So here the value of X equal to 3200. But we have taken that mark price is X. So we can write that mark price equal to 3200 rupees. Okay, student. So here we have calculated the mark price. Now we will have to find out the selling price. Okay, and here it is given that discount percentage 15%. So we have the mark price and we have the discount percentage. So how can we find out the selling price? The selling price is equals to how much? The selling price is equals to how much? What is the direct formula for finding out the selling percent? 100 minus. So okay, so direct in you will not use the direct formula. We will use the normal formula. So mark price is given. So discount percentage is equal to how much? discount percentage equal to 15%. So first of all, we will find out the discount, which is equals to how much? Discount equal to 15% of mark price. So 15 by 100 into mark price equal to how much? 3200. So 00 cancelled. 3200. So 32 into 15. 15 to the 30. 0 3. 15 3 is 45 plus 3 4 8. Sorry, 15 to the 30. 15 to the 30, 0, 3 carry, 15 3 the 45 plus 3, 48. So this is the amount of discount. So selling price is equals to mark price minus discount, which is equals to mark price is equals to 3200 minus discount equal to 480. The result is how much? 3200 minus 480. So 2720 rupees. Okay, so this is our what? Selling price. We have got the selling price and profit percentage. Now we have got the selling price and the mark price is already given. Sorry, the cost price is already given. Now we can find out the profit and then profit percentage. So now we have to find out profit. Profit equal to how much? Selling price minus cost price, which is equals to 2780 minus cost price equal to 2400, which is equals to 380. So the profit percentage equal to how much? Profit by cost price. Profit by cost price into 100, which is equals to 380 divided by 2400 into 100. Okay, student. So by using this 380 by 2400. So by using the you can cancel by 3. So no, sorry 4. 4 6 are 24 and 4 9 are 36. 2095. So result is 95 by 6%. Okay, this is the profit percentage. Here student, you can using the direct formula for SP. Okay student. So how can you find out the SP? By directly from the mark price and discount percentage. Okay student. So what is the formula? SP is equals to, from if the mark price and discount percentage is given, then how can you find out the SP? The SP will be 100 minus discount percentage by 100 into mark price. Okay student, which is equals to how much? Here we have taken that. What is the percentage of discount percentage? 100 minus discount percentage equal to 15 divided by 100 into mark price equal to 3200. By calculating these things, you will get the 2720. Okay student. So this is the direct formula. You can using by the normal formula and you can use also direct formula. Now the last question. Find the single discount age percentage equivalent to following successive discount. Okay student, only I will do one and you have to do another. So you have to find out the successive discount or single discount. Single discount of 20% and 25%. Okay student. So here how can I find out? Let the mark price of the article is equal to how much? X. Okay student. So here also we have two formula by using first formula in the normal way. Okay student, first in normal way and then we will do the direct formula. So the mark price of the article, let the mark price of the article be X. So first of all we have to give the 20% discount. So we can find out the selling price equal to how much? 100 minus discount percentage divided by 100 into X. What is mark price? Okay student. So what is the result? So 100 minus discount equal to 20 by 100 into X. So 100 minus 20 equal to 80 by 100 into x. So result is equal to 24 are 25. So 4x by 5. Now again, this will be the mark price for the second discount. So mark price for second discount is equals to 4x by 5 and discount is equal, discount percentage equal to 25%. So again by using same formula, selling price equal to 100 minus discount percent, that means 100 minus discount percent is equal to 25% by 100 into mark price. Now our mark price equal to 4x by 5. So result is equal to 75 by 100 into 4x by 5. So 25 3s are 25 4s are, and 4 cancel. The result is 3x by 5. This is our the last selling price. Okay student. So now we have to convert the total discount in a single discount. So how much the cost price was, we have taken the mark price of the article is x, and now allowing 2 discount we have sold the article at 3x by 5 rupees. So what is the net discount is equal to how much? Mark price minus final selling price, which is equal to x minus 3x by 5, which is equal to how much? 5x minus 3x by 5. The result is 2x by 5. So net discount percentage is how much? Discount percentage is equal to how much? Discount by mark price into 100, which is equal to 2x by 5 all divided by x into 100. So result is 2x by 5x into 100. So x cancelled, 520 equal to 40%. So this is our the final net discount percentage. So this is the normal formula, normal way to find out the single discount. I will tell you another 2 direct formula. Okay student, so watch it properly. Okay, so our answer we have got, what is our answer? Final answer we have got 40%. Okay student, so how can you find out? We can find out the final selling price. Selling price equal to how much? 100 minus discount percentage, first discount percentage, first discount 1 percentage divided by 100 into 100 minus discount percentage 2 divided by discount 2 percentage divided by 100 into what? Mark price. Okay student, so we have taken the mark price be x, so it will be 100 minus discount percent, means 100 minus 20 by 100 into 100 minus 25 by 100 into x. The result is 80 by 100 into 75 by 100 into x. So here, so 80 by 100, 4 by 5 and 3 by 4 and 4 cancel is equal to 3x by 5. So here we have got the final selling price directly. So this final discount, sorry, net discount, net discount is equal to how much? Mark price minus final selling price, which is equal to x minus 3x by 5, which is equal to 2x by 5. Okay student, and when you convert discount percentage is equal to how much? Discount by mark price into 100, which is equal to 2x by 5 all divided by x into 100. The result will be how much? 2x by 5x into 100. So x is cancelled, 5 and 20, 20 into 2, 40%. Okay student. Now again another one formula also there, how to find out the net discount percentage. Net discount percentage. Okay, so here we have got the 2 discount. So net discount percentage, suppose this is D1 percentage and this is D2 percentage. Okay student, so our formula, write down this formula, net discount percentage is equals to, okay, D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 by 100. Okay, if there are two discount, then what is the formula that you will use to find out the net discount percentage? This is how much? D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 by 100. So now put the value of D1 equal to, we have got D1 equal to 20 plus D2 equal to how much? 25 minus D1 into D2, 20 into 25 by 100. So 20 by 100 5, so 5 5. So result is 20 plus 25, 45 minus 5 equal to 40%. Okay student, this is a very unique formula, and by using this formula directly you can find out 40%. Okay student. So I have finished all the questions that I have collected from different books. So I think all the question will clear your fundamental properly. So my again my humble request to all of you that please watch this video properly, and if you will not properly watch it and completely, then it will be very difficult for you to understand and clear your fundamental. Okay student, so you are not watching it properly and you are calling me and you are messaging me that we have so much doubt. So once if you will watch it properly and try to understand the basic things, then you can find out the answer properly and very easily. Okay student, so thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.